So there are two kinds of maps. There is what is called symbol map and fill map. Symbol map is when you have geographical areas in the map with a mark in the middle. And the mark could be anything. It could be a pie chart, or it could be simply a dot. And the dot could be big or small based on another measure, say like profit or profit margin, things like that. Okay. So that would be a symbol map, where the geographical area, there is a center point, and at the center point there is a mark. The field map, okay, like geographical area could be states of the United States. So each state there is a mark in the middle. Field map, on the other hand, is you fill the entire geographical area with some color intensity. So that would be field map. So we've seen both of these maps previously. So let's look at these examples. So we will, if you have your old Tableau file saved, then just bring it up, open it up. I don't know whether I saved it. Okay, so that's our heat map. So data sources, once again, so we have TYD sample superstore, and that has the orders data table, and that's the one that we're going to use. So we'll start a new sheet. Okay, and state or province. Okay, so that's going to give us the map. Okay, so the longitude and latitude data has already been generated automatically by Tableau, because it looks at state and province and it says that the role of that variable is geographical. So based on the database that it has, it automatically generates the needed information, and you don't have to create these. So that is going to draw the map for us, and then we're going to use sales as a measure that's going to be plotted in the map, and then we're going to select product category. Okay, so product category right there. So these are the three variables that we have selected. Okay, now we can use the show me. Okay, so here these are the two maps that we talked about, the symbol map and filled map. So if we select the symbol map, it takes forever. All right, so here we have the map drawn based on the state and province information. Okay, so we have the name of each state kind of in the background, and at the center of each geographical region we have sales, okay, as a pie chart. So that little piece of pie that you see, so that's the pie chart. And then we are using the same sales for size as well. So the size of the pie chart, it's smaller or bigger based on the sum of sales. Okay, and the color here within the pie chart, okay, each color represents product category. So that's how this chart is made. So most of the time using the show me prompt to generate the chart is faster, more efficient. Okay, so I would recommend that. But you also need to know how it is created. So how is this created? If you want to do this from scratch by yourself, how would you do it? Right? So where should go what? So let me clear this up. All right. So you bring in state and province into the mapping area, and since it is the role of state or province is geographical, so it draws out the map, and there is only one value right now, or that is the name of the state. So you have one dot at the center of each of the state. Okay, all same size and everything. All right. So now we want to change this dot into a pie chart based on sales. Right? So how do you do that? So here in the marks, so you see there is one of the options is pie. So if you click that, that card will appear. Okay. So now if you bring in sales and drop it into angle, okay, so now that's going to create, okay, so it's going to be the sales. Okay, if you hover, then you see the sales displayed below each state name. Okay, but right now they're all of the same size, right? Because we don't have size, anything on size. So if you take sales and drop it into size, that's going to change the diameter of the circle to correspond to the sum of sales. So now larger the sales, larger is the dot. Okay. But you want pie chart for each of these states, and the pie chart giving you the total sales for each of the three product categories. So you bring in product category and drop it into color, then you have that. Okay, all of that happened automatically for us when we selected those three, one measure sales and two dimensions, and show me, click from symbol map